Another video comparing Deus 1 9-inch low frequency coil to this Deus 2 with a 9-inch coil. Again, that same dime is right there, about 4.57 inches deep. The only masker is that bottle cap laying right there. Okay, I'm in deep high conductor. Okay, the bottle cap on this thing is set at 5. Reactivity 2.5 is all we're going to look at, okay? There's the bottle cap. Now, if I get down real close to it, but you hear that old twangy tone, okay? But we're sweeping along here. See what that meters are doing? Look at that. Ever sweep. Now, I'm out past that dime with this coil. The coin is straight right there underneath the center of that coil. But notice I don't get any tone. I get past that dime. Look at there what happens. You see that ID in the window? Alright. I'm going to turn this one off right here. That machine there is actually on, but it don't seem to be bothering this machine for this test right here. But I'm going to turn the Deus 2 off. GM power. This machine is ground balanced. We'll look at 8 kilohertz first. Reactivity 2.5. Now here's the bottle cap. Hear that? That's the bottle cap. Of course, it gives a twangy tone. Reads about 90. Let you see this meter here. See there? See, I'm a sweeping it. I'm getting tone, but I don't get no ID. Look at there. There's ID finally. We'll let it time out. Look at there. Okay. We're going to change the frequency. I've done looked at all of them. 11.7 kilohertz. Now if I sit here and keep a hee-hawing with it, look at there. Well, I finally get an ID. How many times I have to sweep that thing? You see what I'm saying? I made a comment about this on maybe a few of the forums. That detector over there speeds up your detecting. There's some things you can find with this detector and coil that you can find with that detector. The problem is you have to go through a lot more time and effort. See there? I just swept that again. No ID. You get in the site with modern trash. Now I've got to, you know, you get a tone. It sort of helps to know what you got down there. Now this is 17.6 kilohertz. You see that? Look at that. I'm getting the tone on that dime just clear as a bell. So I keep sweeping it and I get an ID. You don't even really get one much in 17 kilohertz. Let's go look at it at 4, just for gee whiz. I ain't looked at it in 4. Look at that. Sweeping that thing. Tone, but no ID. There's that old bottle cap. See there what it reads? There's an ID finally. Let's see. You see what I'm saying, though? That machine over there, boys, she's a rocking and a rolling with an ID. I didn't have to sweep multiple times, you know, to play with it.